I, Japhet Koome Nchebere.
Thutha wa kuoya mahetwo wa utungata mbere ya mucirithnia munene Martha Koome, riu hati undu tangaja Japhet Koome niwe Inspekta General Mweru agitanywo gutungata kwa ihinda ria miaka 4.
So help me God.
Na thutha wa kwihita gutungatira Kenya, Koome ambiririe na kurutira mukaana imaramari iria ithiete na mbere kunyamaria Kenya mucini munene wa Nairobi na matura mangi guku bururi-ini.
Kwa hivyo tunaambia wakora, uko kule kwa estate, unasumbua wananchi kwa kudunga au visu, kupiga watu risasi. It will not happen under my watch. I will have slept on the job. Wale kule wanaiba ng'ombe, a lot of property destroyed, wananchi wanakufa, maofisa wanakufa. Our strategy now is to target the loans. We are calling them livestock loans.
Akenya ica ikuhi makoretwo magitetia kwambatira gwa ciiko cia wici ona utunya ni muthenya barigici na utuko, aingi ao makigwa moko-ini ma kugerwo ngero imwe ciacio ikirehe wonje ona ikuo. No kuringana na Inspekta General Japhet Koome, borithi matire na wikio tiga kuhuthira hinya kugitira mioyo na indo cia muingi.
When protecting life or property, if there is imminent danger or threat, a police officer can use a fire. If it is in self-defense or defense of another life, because of imminent threat from, to life or serious injury, a police officer can use a fire. And any police officer who uses ace or a fire under those circumstances, we are there to protect that officer.
Koome ari na utaramu wa miaka 31 ruhonge-ini rwa borithi o kuma mwaka-ini wa 1981 riria ambirie ta constable thutha wa gutira mathomo make ma engineering. Thutha ucio ni atungatire county ya Nairobi na Gilgil na mwaka-ini wa 1998 akiyukio ta munini wa kamanda gicigo-ini kia Bururi. Na thutha wa bururi kung'etherwo ni tharikira cia utoi, Koome ni umwe wa maabitha aria mathomithirio mathomo megimaine na utoi bururi-ini wa Amerika. Iguru wa uguo anatungata ta OCPD kaunti-ini ya Machakos, kamanda munene kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na kamanda munene wa cukuru wa mathomo ma borithi cukuru-ini wa Kiganjo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri.
You know the challenges we are facing, the challenges of drug abuse, the challenges of radicalization of our youth, and this is nothing that can be achieved by one agency alone.
It is very important to note that we have that goodwill and we have that support, so that the job before us, it is us to do it to the best of our capability.
Magi mari mbere ya Koome ni kugacirithia mirutire ya wira ya borithi wata kuhukia ungumania ruhonge-ini ruru. Njuragano irakuruhania borithi no itanyitwo kururumukio a Kenya magikaira kihoto. Japhet Koome athurimirwo ni kamiti ya hamwe ya bunge ya kibũrũri na senate igi ugitiri keri ga kiumia giki na thutha wa thikũ imwe bunge ikimuhitukia. Akiyukia matamu ma utongoria wa ruhonge rwa borithi Inspekta General Japhet Koome mbere yake ari na maundu kihiri umwe wa mwari gucokeria ugitiri ituri-ini ciothe cia bũrũri na gutigirira honge ciothe cia uthuthuria ni ciarutithania wira niguo Akenya macokwo ni mwihoko. Ngiribotera Kameme TV de igoti-ini ikaru, njitagwo Mweru wa Ndung'u.